How to fix YouTube Shorts glitch problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can try to simply force close the app. So swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then force quit YouTube along with all the apps running in the background and then open it again. This is a quick fix for glitches on any application on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Or you can also simply enable airplane mode on your device for 10 seconds and then disable it again, and this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. Further, you can try to simply restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone and will also help in fix the glitches that affect video playback. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to YouTube and tap on it, and then go ahead and tap on the offload app option, and this will clear the cache in your YouTube application. The next fix is open YouTube and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right. Here, tap on general and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for restricted mode, as sometimes this affects shorts visibility. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on date and time and make sure it is set to set automatically, as incorrect time settings can cause loading issues. In general again, tap on software update and then go ahead and install any latest available update. And in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset your network settings and see if that helps, and if not, then it simply could be that the YouTube server is down, so you can simply wait for YouTube server to be working just fine. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube Shorts glitch problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.